Hello guys, welcome to Fret Friend Guitar Workshop and Luthery. I'm Victor, I'm your host and your helper today. And today we're going to talk about EMG pickups. My favourite pickups. I've got a Zakk Wylde set in my Gibson V, which I absolutely love. And I was looking for a set for my backup guitar, my Epiphone SG, which is an amazing guitar. And I went and got a set from eBay last week, and I didn't really look at them that closely. Never once thought they may be fake or anything, so I got them. One of them at 86 quid. I thought, alright, the guy messaged me, seemed really friendly. Oh, I paid £140 for these, this, that and the other. And yeah, but I was a bit dubious. I wonder where the pots are. He's not mentioned the pots. Anyway, when they arrived, didn't think anything of it. Thought, that's it. As soon as I opened them, I thought, these aren't right. Knew straight away they weren't right. So, and I was absolutely right, by the way. So I'm going to show you how to identify fake EMGs over real ones. I don't know where to begin. There are many differences. Now the lad, as I've messaged him, told him why they're fake, told him what is wrong with them. I pointed out 6 things that were wrong about them. There's actually more than the 6, but first one, dead giveaway. The logo there, the paint is spilling over the actual groove for EMG. It's really rough and not very good. Another thing, straight away, these are a lot smoother than real EMGs. Real EMGs got a little bit of a more coarse top on that, so I knew that straight away. Then again, you got to look at the corners here, the corners of the pickup. Corners on the real EMGs are rounder than this, so that's everything you can tell from the front. Now, what I'm going to explain is I've got a picture of real EMGs here, which I've just downloaded off the interweb there. That's the 81. Fantastic, but the main areas you're going to find any differences are on the underneath. So look at the underneath and look at the 3 pins where you put on your quick connector. There is a little piece of plastic there stopping you pushing your connector on too far. That's the biggest giveaway. On these, I noticed, doesn't have that bar. They just soldered, it's just pins. There's no stop bar on the end, and they are shorter. So let me see if I can show you. Try and get them both on the same way. Look at that. Look at the picture. Then look at the this one here has got no stop bar. So that's another one of the differences. So you've got 4 there. Another dead giveaway is the bad font or the bad print of the sticker. That's not right. It's very shoddy. You've also got these areas here with the insert in there. I think these screws were probably similar to the same size, but I think they're a bit thinner. But you can just tell with the quality of this, it's not quite right. Another dead giveaway is these lugs that the screws go through on the fakes are level with the pickup. On the real ones, they're not. They're about 4 mil higher up. There's a gap, they go up from here. So it'd be where this is level with the pickup. You see what I mean here? This actual bit is higher up. So that's another giveaway. I'll show you on this one. If you have a look now at the real one, look at the lugs that the screws go through. It's not flush to the body of the bass. It's sticking up from there. So that's another dead giveaway. So they are most of the differences there are. But a couple of other giveaways. Like if you look at this in a light, when you get the shine from this bit here, the waxy bit, it's just there's no pattern underneath. But on a real EMG, there's a pattern underneath. It's a load of circles. That's another dead giveaway. But yeah, you guys, be very careful when you're buying anything off eBay. I was quite happy to get these at 86 quid. Never thought they'd be. I was a bit dubious at first, wondering why the pots weren't shown. And the wiring to these, by the way, is shoddy to say the least. It's I can put it in here. I'll probably throw it away. It's that crap. It's just really thin wire, and the red is a different colour, by the way. Now, if I compare this with the real stuff. And don't get me wrong, there are 2 different types you do get with EMGs. They do a thin one, but you look at this on this, look at these here. Look at the wiring to my Zakk Wylde set. Super thick, chunky wiring. The ends are different as well, by the way. On the real one, there you've got 2 little holes in that side. You don't have it on this, on the fake. And also these pins, where the pins go, where you see the little silver bits there, on the real ones, really neat and tidy. On the fake ones, it's not as neat as that. We're not even in a straight line. and this plug is slightly larger on the fakes as well. So watch out for stuff like this. But your first dead giveaway is, if you pick it up and you look, the first things you're going to look at is the corners. These are more or less square here, and the EMG logo. It's really shoddy paint, and it's overlapping, it's going over the edges and everything. That's going to be your first giveaway. Your second giveaway is how these are flat with the base, where in real life they're actually lower down. And again, your next giveaway is these 3 pins here. There's no stop piece on the end, and they're smaller than on the originals. Also another thing, the fake ones, these pins are silver, right? But on the real EMGs, they're gold. So that's it. So that's as many differences as I have found on these. There may be more, I don't know. But your first dead giveaway, guys, is the corners of the pickup are square. The EMG logo is going out of the lines, out of the edge. Then look at these 3 pins. If they're silver and they've got no stop bar, that's your other dead giveaway. So watch out, friends. These are going back. I've told the guy, whether he knew they were fake or not, I don't know. He says he never suspected. He bought them. First he said he bought them over a year ago. Then when I messaged him again, he come back and he said, I'm going to get in touch with the guy I bought them off because I found the receipt. And blah 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 blah, which is fine. And I'm sure he didn't know these were fake, because when I bought it on eBay, the pictures, he had a dozen pictures on there, and they were close up, showing you everything. So I don't think for one second he knew these were fake. He knows now, and he's offered to give me my money back, which is fantastic, which I'm obviously going to get. So I'm going to send this. I also, in the meantime, I went and emailed EMG. I told them as well. I told them I've got some fake EMGs, and they've corroborated that they are fake. So I'm going to put these back. So they corroborated they are fake. Once I'd emailed them and I went and checked some more things, I knew. I thought these are 100% fake. So now I've got to look for some more, which is fine. I'm in no rush. I may even pour off a little bit. But anyway, there you go. So how to spot fake EMGs. I hope that's helped you guys. And yeah, that's it. So be good to each other, because I've done that. Be good to each other, and I'll see you next time.